Hi, it's Angela Critters. Well, I am remaking an old video I made 3 years ago by a special request, and I think you're going to love it. And since I first made this 3 years ago, I've added a little bit to it, kind of tweaked the recipe, and it's really better now. So this potato salad that we're going to make is from the movie The Color Purple, and it's SHUG Avery's Potato Salad. And you have never had better potato salad. It's not the potato salad I grew up with. I just found this potato salad 3 years ago. But we absolutely love it. So you'll see here, I've got paper towels. The most important thing in any potato salad is to make sure that it's real dry. See how wet that is? From my relish, you don't want any wet moisture in the potato salad because it'll be drippy. And there's nothing worse than a drippy potato salad. And the most wet thing we're going to be doing is the pickle relish. Look how much I got off. So I'm going to put a little bit more and let it get a little bit more of the moisture out. And then we've got celery chopped up, and we've got some onion chopped up. We've got our potatoes boiled, and I'm using Duke's mayonnaise, just a tad of French's mustard. We'll be adding salt and pepper, celery salt, and onion powder, and this is the trick to this: white sugar. I took this potato salad to a cookout in Cherokee with a bunch of my YouTube friends that are really good Southern cooks, and they all went crazy over it, and they said that I was invited to the cookout. So you know it's good if I'm being invited to the picnic or the cookout. So I'm going to peel my potatoes, and I'll be right back. Well, I've got my potatoes peeled and cut up, and now I'm going to make my dressing. Don't ever put your mayonnaise and mustard and everything straight into the potatoes. Go ahead and make a dressing and get all your flavors mixed up, and then you're going to add it to your potatoes. So we're not going to use much mustard, just a dab, and I had a little bit of the dry stuff fall out. Let me get that. And people are either Dukes or Hellmans down here in the South, and I'm a Duke. You're one or the other, you're not both. Okay, we're going to put in our onion powder. So this potato salad was from the movie The Color Purple. And Shug made it, and it was just so good. And when I first saw the movie way back when, I remembered thinking it was an unusual looking potato salad. And then when I made it, oh, it changed my life. It changed the way I made potato salad. And here's the kicker, the sugar. It just makes it so good, I cannot even tell you. And I was worried about bringing the potato salad to Cherokee because all the women were such good Southern cooks. So I really was kind of worried, but they liked it, so I was happy about that. And you'll see I've still got my paper towels absorbing all of my water and my juices. A little bit more onion powder. A little bit more garlic salt. And some pepper. And one more dash of mustard. This might be enough. Let's put it in and see. Use a spatula. I did need a little bit more dressing, so I whipped up a little bit more mayo, mustard, onion powder, and my celery salt, and some pepper. Maybe what's as bad as a wet potato salad is one that's too dry. You got to have a happy medium. So I cut more vegetables than I'm going to need because I thought that I was making more potato salad, more potatoes, so I'm not going to use all my onion. I'm going to save it for something else. It's way too much onion. But I am going to use all the celery. This is 3 stalks of celery, and I used half of a bag the big bag of potatoes, so that means it's like 4 pounds. I'm not real sure. And my onions are dry. And I only put in a handful. I did not put in that full amount. It was way too much. I'm going to save it for something I'm making tomorrow. And then we've got our relish coming. Oh, that makes it so good. Still looks a little dry because I still have to cut up my egg. See how much water came out of there? And I don't think I'm going to add too much more mayonnaise. I don't think I'm going to add any at all now that I put in my pickle. So let me get my egg ready. Don't be shy with the egg. I've got 5 kind of medium-sized eggs in here. The egg really makes it. The egg and the sugar and the pickle relish is the key to this being so good. So we're going to put the top on it and let it sit for a few hours if you possibly can. I know it's hard when something's really good. So it's going to have a little bit more dressing. It still looks kind of dry. And I've used over half of the pickle relish. I'm going to put some more that's on the side. I'm going to get a little bit more pickle relish dried out to moisten it up. When I do an entire bag of potato, I almost use an entire jar of the relish. It just makes it so good. And I grew up with potato salad that did not have relish in it. So that's, interesting how you can change something you've eaten your whole life late in the day. But I love the SHUG's potato salad. If you haven't seen the movie in a long time, Whoopi Goldberg played the role of SHUG. The one that was married to the man, I think they called him Mr. All right, so we're going to put a lid on this. Put a little paprika on top. I always make my potato salad a tiny bit dry because of the fact that overnight it does kind of moisten up. So see how it looks like it's dry, but it's really not. Oh. It is so good. Let's put a little paprika on top. Make it pretty. And we're going to let it sit, if you can, at least 4 hours before you serve it. And I think you are going to love SHUG Avery's potato salad. And as always, I'll have the directions in the description. And you'll notice I did almost use the entire jar of the pickle relish. If I had used an expensive pickle relish, I wouldn't have had to use so much. This is a cheap Aldi brand with not as much flavor. Usually I like to use the Mount Olive. Well, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.